In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero Payroll, how to set up a paid annual leave pay item, 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing into your Xero account. From the Xero homepage, click Login, enter your email and password, and select Login again to continue. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is your hub. From here, open Payroll, then choose Payroll Settings so we can configure the pay item first. Inside Payroll Settings, go to Pay Items and switch to the Leave tab. This is where you manage all leave types your team can request and be paid for. Click Add, then pick Paid Leave. We're setting up annual leave, so give it a clear name your team will recognize, like annual leave or annual leave paid. Consistency helps later when you're assigning leave to employees. On this setup screen, review the key options carefully. Make sure the leave units align with how your business tracks time. Hours are most common. If your organization accrues annual leave, confirm that the settings reflect your policy and any local employment regulations. This is also a good moment to choose whether the balance appears on payslips. I recommend checking Show Balance on Payslip. It improves transparency for employees, reduces HR questions, and helps people plan their time off. When everything looks correct, click Add to save the leave pay item. With the leave type created, head back to Payroll and open Employees. Choose the employee you want to assign this to. In their profile, go to the Leave tab. Here, click Assign Leave Type. Select the annual leave pay item you just set up, then review any fields for opening balances or adjustments. If you're migrating from another system or starting mid-year, entering an accurate opening balance helps ensure future accruals and payslips are correct. When you're satisfied, click Save and Close. That's it. The paid annual leave pay item is now set up and assigned to the employee. They'll be able to take paid annual leave and the balance will show on their payslip if you enabled that option. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep naming conventions simple and consistent across all leave types. Double check that leave units match your timesheets and pay calendars, and review balances during your next pay run to confirm everything flows through as expected. If your region has specific requirements for annual leave, make sure your settings align with those rules before you roll this out broadly. You've successfully created a paid annual leave pay item in Xero and assigned it to an employee. Nice work.